My name is Gautani. Today we are talking about some data structure program using C+ language. For this program we are using CodeBlocks. So here our program we are using has to include our string and define again the global variable max is equal to 5 for all the data. Here we are in this program we are implementing the data using glue. What is the difference between queue and stack? In stack we only implement the data from the front. In the queue we are able to implement the data from front and rear also. So we having queue limit is 15 and we having front is equal to -1 and rear equal to -1. It means the queue is empty from the both the side. See, we have make function to inserting and deleting the value in queue. As you see, the void in data for inserting the function. If we are using if and condition, if front is rear plus 1 equal to max, it means that if when we inserting the data and the value is max inside the queue, it means the queue is full, else the item to be stored in the data is mean the rear equal to plus 1 equal to max. This means the rear is empty, so we are able to insert the value in the queue. So the queue rear equal to data. If the front equal to -1, that's how help to store the data in the function. But we have another function for deleting the data in the queue. If the front is equal to -1, it means the queue is empty. Else the data is equal to the queue from the front side, and if the front equal to rear, it means the front and rear are both equal to -1. So the queue is empty from the both side. So we are able to delete the data from the front end also. If the front equal to +1 and module to max, it means the front is gonna be push the data inside the queue. So for pushing the data, we delete the data which is inside the queue, it means the item was successfully deleted. And we having the third function to display the data. If the rear equal to -1, it means the queue is empty, else the elements are present in the queue. We are using for loop to increasing the value inside the queue, which help to display the variables inside the queue. So in the indent function we create a menu for insertion, delete and display. So it help the programmer to see which operation is going to be used. For the menu we are again using switch case. In case 1 we are having inserting the function, in case 2 we are using deleting the function, and again in case 3 it should be displaying the function and it's gonna be exited. So we gonna run the program. Here we insert some data like 1 equal item to be stored, so we have 24. So see and we delete the data. We again insert the data 23 and using the second function delete. So the item was successfully deleted. Then we again insert the data like 12 and we're gonna display the data like 12. So you see the first element where we insert is 23 and the second element is we store in the 12. So both elements are present inside the program, inside the queue. So that's how our program is run executed successfully. Thank you.